All right, so if you want to create business videos quickly without hiring a full production team, yeah, Pika AI can make that a lot easier. In this video, I'll show you how to create professional business videos step by step. First, quick idea. Pika lets you create clean, engaging videos for marketing, presentations, or branding without complex editing. Start by opening Pika AI and logging into your account. Once you're inside, decide your goal. Are you creating a promo, an ad, or a business presentation? Now write a clear and professional prompt so the AI understands your intention. For example, create a professional business video showcasing a product with clean visuals and smooth motion. Then click Generate, and Pika will start creating your video. It might take a few seconds, so just wait. Once your video is ready, preview it. You can adjust the style to match your brand, like colors, tone, or visuals. Make sure your video stays simple and focused on your main message. You can also create multiple versions of the same idea and choose the one that works best. After that, download your video and, if needed, add voiceover, text, or branding elements. Then use your video for marketing, social media, or presentations. So yeah, Pika AI makes it easy to create professional business videos without spending too much time or money. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More AI business guides coming soon.